In today's video, I'm going to teach you about choosing the best business management software for your needs. If you're in the beauty, wellness, or fitness industry, you already know that selecting the right software is crucial to simplifying your operations and enhancing your customer service. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming to decide which one perfectly aligns with your business goals. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk about simplicity, design, and pricing first. If these factors are at the top of your list, then GlossGenius could be the ideal choice for you. GlossGenius is known for its user-friendly design and intuitive interface, which means even if you're not the most tech-savvy person, you'll find navigating the software a breeze. Imagine being able to manage appointments, track your inventory, and handle payments all in one place without any headache. Moreover, its pricing is straightforward and transparent, eliminating any hidden fees that might surprise you later. For businesses that value a beautiful design paired with ease of use and a clear pricing structure, GlossGenius truly shines as a strong contender. On the other hand, if you're looking for a software that offers customizable features and can scale with your growing business needs, Vagaro might be more suited to you. With Vagaro, you have a plethora of options at your disposal, from detailed reporting to advanced marketing tools. This flexibility is fantastic for businesses that need a robust platform to handle complex operations and want the ability to tailor the system to their unique needs. However, it's important to note that with this wealth of features comes an increased level of complexity. It might require a steeper learning curve and a bit more time to get everything configured to your liking. Additionally, some users have reported experiencing challenges with customer support, so being prepared for occasional hurdles in that department would be wise. Ultimately, the decision between GlossGenius and Vagaro will hinge on what specific aspects of business management you prioritize. For those who crave simplicity and elegance, with no compromise pricing, GlossGenius is a wonderful option. Meanwhile, if comprehensive functionality and scalability are what your business needs, Vagaro could be the perfect fit, as long as you're ready to navigate its complexities and address any support-related issues that might arise. By understanding your company's unique requirements and acknowledging how each of these platforms can meet those needs, you're well on your way to making an informed decision that empowers your business to thrive. Thank you for joining